Welcome to Porar World YouTube channel, Class 9. New book. 2024, 1.3.1. Let's read the following note to know more about facts and opinions. Note, facts and opinions. An important part of reading comprehension is determining a fact and an opinion in a text. The difference between facts and opinions is essential, especially when working to support an argument in an essay. Facts are statements that can be objectively proven, while opinions reflect personal and subjective feelings. For instance, when writing about a story, someone might write something like, "The author did an awesome job writing about the main character." However, this statement would be an opinion because the idea that the author's job was awesome is subjective and may vary depending on the reader. Instead, the same person might write something like, "The author used several metaphors to describe the main character effectively." This would be a fact because the writer would be able to point out metaphors in the text that prove this. When we read a text, it is not always easy to distinguish between facts and opinions. To identify them, we need to read the passage sentence by sentence and ask two questions. 1. Can the statement be proven to be true or false? 2. Does the statement express the author's personal beliefs, ideas, or emotions about the topic? If the answer to the first question is it cannot be proven, and the answer to the second is it does, then the statement is an opinion. On the other hand, if the answer to the first question is it can be proven, and the answer to the second is it doesn't, then the statement is a fact. You can also look for certain cues to distinguish between facts and opinions in a text. Authors often use the following ways to write a fact. The research confirms. It is recently discovered that recent findings reveal that, according to source, are usually followed by a fact. However, it can also introduce an opinion. It is important to know that the source of the fact should be credible and trustworthy. Conversely, authors use the following clues to give their opinions: I think, I believe, I feel, in my opinion, some people think, my friends think, my parents think, some people claim/argue, he claims/argues, adjectives like always/never, awful/wonderful, beautiful/ugly, better/best/worst, delicious/disgusting, enjoyable/favorite. For/against, good/bad, inferior/superior, oppose/support, terrible/unfair, worthwhile. Learning to tell facts and opinions is one of the most important skills. It not only helps us to analyze information and distinguish between facts and opinions, but it also assists us in choosing reliable sources and making our independent decisions. This skill reflects your critical thinking ability and makes you more reading capable. In our daily lives, not everything that we hear or read is always true. We need to learn how to identify what is true and what is not. Therefore, it is important to be able to tell the differences between facts and opinions and decide what to believe and what is simply someone's viewpoint. This helps us resist attempts to influence, persuade, or pressure us. Ultimately, separating fact from opinion is central to understanding information thoughtfully.